Well, we're here in the Tango Towers chapel, and I found this Commodore 64. Well, it wasn't lost. I bought it as a backup because 20 odd years ago we actually had an electronic keyboard connected to a Commodore 64, and I bought this one in case the other one failed, but there you go, it stayed in its box ever since, brand new. So I just thought this would be interesting. I'm going to stick it on eBay, but I just thought it'd be interesting for people to see, because it's an unboxing ceremony of something totally different, and there's no tripod in here, so you just have to put up with me hand holding the camera. But as somebody who's an electronics engineer, and knowing that some things don't work when they've been stuck in storage, although it's been in the house all the time, I thought I'll just plug it into our CRT television here and see if it actually works. We don't have a television, that is just for display purposes. Do you understand that? No. So we have all these accessories, and it comes with some cartridge game. How thrilling. I'm really thrilled. Right, let's get these items out and we'll get this thing plugged in. I'm glad it's got an RF lead, so we're going to need it. We've forgotten about this, haven't we? Things didn't come with a plug. I'll go and get a plug and fit it. Well, I managed to find a remote for a Sony video, and I've been able to get the tuning to do an auto tune, so just let it go through that. There we go. How you get out of this, I have absolutely no idea. We press menu. Good. Obviously there's a hum bar on the camera, which isn't there on the monitor. Good. Good. Well, that's working. Right, well, here we are. I'll put it back in its box, and that can go on eBay. Commodore 6. Oh, made in China, you see. And factory sealed. There we go. To be honest, the fact that the cables have been out of here before is clear to me that I've, when I bought this, I've no doubt plugged it in and tried it, so that we didn't have any warranty claims. Right, so there we go. A look at a new box Commodore 64, which it's time we had the cupboard space back. So thanks for watching. Bit of 5 minutes of silliness.